doing the oil change right now. There's the doghouse sitting outside. The Winnie changed where she is for the oil change. There's our vintage chairs. There's our bulldog mascot head that we're gonna take to the game tomorrow. My nephew plays for the Wesley Bulldogs for flag football, and seeing our Winnebago is named after one of our bulldogs, Santana-Go, and it looks like a bulldog, I think, with the pushed in nose. So we are bringing her to the game tomorrow. Hopefully this is videoing. It wasn't videoing earlier when I tried to video, but I got to clean the inside so we can bring it tomorrow. We're kind of hoping we can go tonight and sleep in Walmart parking lot. Does anyone know if that's legal? All right. Until later. Say bye, Mike. 7 quarts it takes. All right. 7 quarts for a 1973 Winnebago Brave D18. All right. Bye-bye.